the big trailer that we've all been waiting for, that is Mirzya is out. Harshvardhan Kapoor and Saiyami Khan, and they are both looking exquisitely exquisite, if you know what I mean. अगर नहीं बात समझ आ रही तो कोई बात नहीं, basically बहुत cool लग रहे हैं. Well, the movie of course is an epic. It's a Punjabi folk tale. It's like Soni Mahiwal and Heer Ranjha and all of those tales before it. There is a basis to what's happening in the movie. Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra has done it once again, at least in the trailer so far. He has got the historicals right. He's also got the whole fact that it almost is like Shakespearean, and there are two worlds to this epic. There is the today's world, and there is what I'd call a kind of a fantasy world. And the fantasy world really looks like fantasy. Of course, part of this movie has been shot in Ladakh and Rajasthan, so there's that whole starkness to it. There's a beautiful grey-blue almost throughout this trailer, except when, of course, they're in a today kind of world. And even then, there is a hint of that bluishness towards in it. As far as the acting is concerned, it looks quite good. I'm liking Saiyami. She's got this really cute smile to herself, so she's certainly going to rock. And the man himself, Harshvardhan Kapoor, looks like his daddy. So every time I see him on a horse or I see him on a bike, and I'm saying Anil Kapoor. Do you do that too? है ना, बिल्कुल लगता है उनकी तरह. So this is a fantasy story that toggles between a today world and a fantasy world, and it has this man whose name is Mirzya, and he is one of in the story that is in the past. He's one of the best steedmen in all of the world, and he's one of the best arrow specialists. That means he's basically a bow and arrow. Yeah, and he does exactly that. And shall I tell you the whole story? It is tragic. And Shankar Ehsaan Loy and the music are like too cool. You know what? I shouldn't be saying this, but I think I will. Risk it, but I think it is justified. A couple of days ago, I saw Mohenjo-daro, and now I see Mirzya, and I say, oh my God, what a difference there is between the two. You know, there is a whole scale in which this movie is made. That scale is right. They've got the kind of, you know, they have a mystique going to the movie. So you'll want to see the movie after seeing the trailer. Mohenjo-daro, I don't think I want to see the movie after seeing the trailer, because the trailer has not got anything that holds me. This whole story holds me. There is a lot that I'm not seeing. There is a lot that is today's world that I'd like to see. It is intriguing. It's got a certain mystery to it, and I like that. It's good. And Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra, you've done it again. After Bhag Milkha Bhag and Dil Che and Rang De Basanti, this one kind of takes it to the other level, which is what I like. Also, I'm going to risk another thing here by saying that this looks a little bit Sanjay Leela Bhansali-esque, if I may say. But well, no, two different movie makers, and I'm sure finally it'll come out better. But yes, this is something that we're looking forward to come October. And we're looking forward to the new couple, so there'll be lots of love and romance, which is a nice thing. Also, we'll have found a new couple, which will be Ye. And the story looks cool. The cinematography is cool. It's shot very well. It seems to be edited tightly. And it tells a good story, which of course is a folk tale. Now, I'd say that what you need to do is do a little homework. Just search for the epic, because there is a whole wiki page on this, on Mirza Saiwan. So search that, read it up and read more, so that when there's more on the movie that comes out, you and I will be prepared for it. Right now, yes, I'm going to give it a thumbs up certainly, and say that you can watch lots more of everything that's happening in Bollywood, on Bollywood Pataka. In Bollywood, on Bollywood Pataka. Confused ho gaya tha yaar main. But anyways, Denzel,